Hi guys, how you doing? Kevin here. Only 21 hours to go, and this is getting exciting for the Think and Grow Rich live event, which is happening on the 8th of May to the 10th of May. So if you haven't got your ticket by now, simply register here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the speakers here. We've got Russell, we've got Tom, we've got Dean, we've got Jeff, Sharon Lecter, Joe Vitale, John Asfer, Eileen, Trent, Sonia. All these great speakers are going to be on the event itself. So what I've done is I've just done a bit of research on the interwebs, and what we've done is we kind of gone along and said, well, how much would it be cost to get these people to speak at an event where you can get access to them free here? So I just did a little document out here to kind of give you an idea of the breakdown of it itself, okay? And the title of this is Why Pay Over 660k when you can get all these legends for free. So that's the actual cost for it. But I want to break it down to tell you that I've only included a handful of the speakers in this analysis here, okay? And these were sourced from online as well, okay, from reputable companies that are already using these as speakers, okay? So if you want to just get Russell Brunson himself, you're looking at 200k just to have him live, okay? And then Dean as well would be at the 100,000 to 200,000 mark. So just alone in those two speakers, you're getting real value. Tom and Jeff are coming in at 50 to 100k for their insights. Sharon Lecter is coming in at 5 to 10,000 for a virtual event. That'll be a Zoom call or something like that, or a webinar for that. So you can see the value of this event itself. And John Asford is coming in at a cool 20 to 30k, okay, thousand. That's 20 to 30,000. And Elaine Wilder, brace yourself for this, because she's asking a staggering 250,000 per day, and that's a total of 660. Now I haven't included the other people in this as well, okay? Just you know, you've got to register for this quickly because it's going to happen live. The broadband, we don't know how it's going to cope with everybody getting on board, so make sure that you do register for this event, okay? So make sure you do join it. Here's the times once again. It's kicking off the 8th of May, okay, from to the 10th, okay? Starting time from 8 a.m. here. We have 11 a.m. here and 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. You click here to join the challenge. There'll be a link below this video here. And just to tell you that there is additional speakers as well that are on board this as well, which I haven't included in the price structure, okay? Aisling, Trent, Sonia, Anne, Joe Vitale as well, and Napoleon Hill himself. So I haven't even included that in there, but I have put the resources down here as well for you to make sure that allamericans.com, you can go and see the listing of the prices there if you want to do that, okay? So don't miss out on the opportunity. Simply go back to the actual page here itself, okay, and register. Pop your name in here. There will be a link directly below this video for you to go and resource that, okay? And just as a quick disclaimer here, I'm an independent Secrets to Success affiliate, not an employee. I may receive a referral payment from Secrets of Success. The options expressed here are my own and not the official statement of the Secret of Success, okay? I just want to get that out of the way so that people know that I am an affiliate, so I can bring in these great videos. But as a person who has studied Think and Grow Rich, this is my 1980s version of the, hopefully you can see that there, 1980s version of this. I know the power of this, and it's a no-brainer. So make sure that you jump on board this. Who is this for? It's for people who have read Think and Grow Rich. Maybe you're in the network marketing business and you want to learn directly from Napoleon Hill himself and these other people. You can do that as well. Maybe you're in sports, you're in fitness, you want a better career, you want a better lifestyle. Anything around that itself, this is a great event for you. So go and register now. The link will be directly below this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a question below. And with that said, I am looking forward to seeing you on the date, on the challenge. Can't wait for it. Be there. And thanks again. Bye for now.